Background music fades in. The automotive world is gearing up for an exciting year, and 2025 promises to be a game changer for car enthusiasts. With advanced technology, stunning designs, and improved performance, this year's lineup of cars is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're into electric vehicles, luxury sedans, or high-performance sports cars, there's something for everyone. Let's kick things off with one of the most anticipated releases, the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Tesla continues to dominate the F market, and the 2025 Model 3 Highland comes with a sleeker design, improved range, and enhanced autonomous driving features. It's expected to push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology while maintaining its position as a leader in the segment. Next up, Toyota is making waves with its 2025 Toyota Camry. The latest model comes with a bold new look, an upgraded hybrid system, and a tech-packed interior. Toyota has focused on efficiency and reliability while adding a touch of sportiness to the design. For those who want a balance of comfort, fuel economy, and style, the new Camry is a top contender. Shifting gears to performance, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT-D is turning heads. This beast is inspired by race cars, featuring a supercharged 5.2 liters V8 engine, aerodynamic enhancements, and track-ready handling. Ford has taken the legendary Mustang to new heights, making it one of the most exciting muscle cars to watch out for in 2025. For SUV lovers, the 2025 BMW X5 is a must-see. BMW's flagship SUV is receiving a fresh update, with a more aggressive front grille, a refined interior, and improved hybrid powertrains. The X5 remains a top choice for those who crave luxury and performance in a family-friendly package. If you're looking for an ultra-luxurious experience, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to set the standard. With cutting-edge AI-driven technology, advanced driver assistance, and an opulent cabin, the S-Class is the definition of modern luxury. It's designed for those who demand the best in comfort, innovation, and prestige. And for fans of Japanese performance, Nissan is bringing back the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36. The legendary Godzilla is expected to feature hybrid power, all-wheel drive, and an aggressive new design. Nissan aims to maintain its status as a powerhouse in the sports car world while embracing the future of electrification. But one of the biggest surprises of 2025 comes from Honda with the 2025 Honda Prelude. This iconic nameplate is making a comeback, offering a sporty design, a hybrid powertrain, and Honda's signature reliability. It's an exciting moment for fans of the classic Prelude, who have been waiting for its return. Finally, electric trucks are making waves, and the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado F is leading the charge. With impressive towing capacity, long-range battery options, and futuristic technology, it's set to challenge traditional gas-powered trucks in a big way. With so many incredible cars hitting the market in 2025, there's no doubt that this year will be one for the history books. Whether you're into speed, luxury, or sustainability, the future of the automotive industry is looking brighter than ever. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest car news and reviews. Background music fades out.